To prepare for its move back to the rebuilt facility, St. Jude Hospital is hosting a training workshop this week on cleaning protocols for its staff. The initiative, taking place at the National Skills Development Center, is part of advanced preparations to move from its location at the George Odlum Stadium, where it has operated since a devastating fire in 2009. The workshops aim to equip personnel with the skills and knowledge to uphold rigorous cleanliness standards in the new facility. The training emphasizes that proper cleaning protocols are not merely a maintenance task, but a crucial element of patient safety and care.
Today, we invest in the skills and habits that protect our patients, support our clinical team, and enhance every person's experience in our hospital. Across 2 cohorts this week, participants will learn to define and apply hospital cleaning protocols across the risk zone. And to you, the participants, thank you for your commitment. Let us learn, practice, and uphold the standards that keep St. Jude Hospital safe and ready for patients.
Officials underscored the importance of the training and urged participants to become experts in their field. They are being trusted not only to master the protocols themselves, but also to become leaders who can guide their colleagues.
Trust that each person here today will learn well what is taught over the 2-day period. And it is entrusted that you will practice and master what is taught here today in the work environment, such that the other team members will be relying on you to inform them as to how to do it best.
The training coincides with the 16th anniversary of the fire that destroyed the original facility, an event that has come to define the institution's resilience.
Today, September 9th, 2025, we recognize the 16th anniversary of the fire at the Augier site, and it is not just a moment in history, but it is what has defined St. Jude Hospital and what continues to define us even as we prepare for our return home to Augier. And that is that you are not just support staff, but you are the guardians of safety and you are the champions of care. The work you do is extremely important and forms the foundation for upon which our entire hospital operates. You are the experts on the front lines, and your growth is our hospital's growth.
As St. Jude Hospital's reconstruction nears its end, senior health officials toured the site recently, inspecting 3 completed surgical rooms. With work crews on extended hours and medical equipment arriving, officials say the long-awaited project is on its final phase, paving the way for full hospital services. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.